Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best magic party decorations is probably one of the most enchanting ways to transform any celebration into an unforgettable spectacle, weaving a spell of wonder and delight for guests of all ages. Imagine stepping into a realm where shimmering stars, mystical creatures, and vibrant colors dance together, creating an immersive atmosphere that sparks joy and ignites the imagination, making your event truly magical and leaving a lasting impression of enchantment and fun. Number 5. ecoZen Purple Unicorn Birthday Party Decorations. Make your little one's birthday truly magical with our enchanting unicorn-themed party decorations. Designed to add fun and style, it's guaranteed to thrill your guests. This complete set includes everything you need to celebrate for up to 16 guests. Enjoy a hassle-free party setup with all the essentials included. Tired of flimsy party wear? Ours are made with a soak-proof shield, ensuring they are strong, sturdy, and non-leaky. No more worrying about spills or tears. Our superior quality means you won't have to double up plates. Enjoy your party without the mess and keep all the food safely on the plate. Create a vibrant and unforgettable atmosphere for your princess's special day. It's the perfect way to make her birthday celebration extra special and memorable. This set includes plates, cups, napkins, a banner, cutlery, balloons, a tablecloth, straws, and toppers. Everything you need for a perfect unicorn party. What we like. If you're planning a magical birthday for a little princess, this set is a dream come true. Its vibrant unicorn theme guarantees a wow factor, and the sturdy, soak-proof plates mean no more messy accidents. Choose this for an unforgettable, stress-free celebration that will thrill your guests. What people say. Cake topper was so cute. We used it for the smash cake. The pictures are printed vibrantly. The decorations were high quality and looked great at kids' birthday party. Lots of different varieties, so with one pack I was able to decorate our living room area for the party. Number 4. Big Dot of Happiness Tada, Magic Show Hanging Decor. Transform your party space into a magical wonderland with these enchanting hanging swirls. They are designed to add a touch of wonder to any celebration. This generous set includes 40 individual swirls in 4 different shapes and sizes. You'll have plenty to create a stunning visual display throughout your party area. Featuring a delightful mix of shapes and lengths, these decorations are perfect for any magical birthday theme. They are sure to captivate your guests. Setting up these decorations is a breeze. Each swirl comes with clear hooks for easy assembly and hanging, allowing you to quickly add a festive atmosphere. Crafted from high-quality, double-sided cardstock, these decorations are built to impress. They are professionally printed and carefully packaged for your convenience. Support American craftsmanship with these decorations, proudly designed and manufactured in our Wisconsin facility. They are made using materials sourced right here in the USA. What we like. For a dynamic and eye-catching party atmosphere, these hanging swirls are a fantastic choice. With a variety of shapes and sizes, they add a professional touch to any event space. If you want to easily create a festive and magical ambience, especially for birthdays, these are perfect for you. What people say. The plastic cord to hang these is pretty short, wish there was a variety of lengths. The colors are vibrant and the designs are unique, making them a great addition to any party. They are made of durable material and can be reused for multiple events. Number 3. SeptCity Jumbo Playing Cards. Get ready for a super fun addition to any game night. These giant-sized cards are perfect for adults and offer endless possibilities for play, decoration, or gifting. For times larger than a standard deck, they're the perfect size for shuffling and carrying. Create hysterical memories at home or on the go with these wonderful cards. Enjoy exquisite printing and bright colors on slightly waterproof surfaces. Made with environmentally friendly, recyclable materials, these cards are built to last. Designed for everyone, these large cards are easy to hold and read, even for those with poor eyesight. They bring extra fun and accessibility to your games. Enhance communication and give the gift of laughter. These cards make a fun present for any occasion, promising fond memories and shared joy. What we like. Looking for a unique and interactive decoration or activity? These jumbo playing cards are a playful and versatile option. They're perfect for game nights, as a fun prop, or even for those with visual impairments who want to join in the fun. If you want a conversation starter that brings laughter and engagement, these are a winning hand. What people say. The balloons were a great size and held air well. The banner was colorful and sturdy, easy to hang up. The confetti added a nice touch to the table decorations. Number 2. ZERODECO Black and Red Party Decoration Kit. Get everything you need for your next celebration with this comprehensive party decoration kit. It includes balloons, pennants, paper fans, and garlands for a festive atmosphere. Add an extra element of surprise and fun to your party. These balloons are pre-filled with confetti, ready to create a magical shower after they're popped. Crafted from good quality paper, these decorations are designed to last. They are easy to assemble, can be folded for storage, and used again for future events. The striking black and red color scheme is perfect for a variety of occasions. It's ideal for birthdays, baby showers, and themed parties, adding a stylish touch. From birthday parties to baby showers and fiesta celebrations, these decorations fit right in. They are also great as props for memorable party photos. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you encounter any issues, please reach out for a replacement or refund. Enjoy your event with peace of mind. What we like. If you need a versatile and colorful decoration kit for various celebrations, this is a great option. The mix of paper fans, pom-poms, and garlands, along with fun confetti balloons, creates a festive look. It's ideal for birthdays, baby showers, or any event where you want a pop of color and a touch of fun, and the reusable nature adds value. What people say. So many different shapes and vibrant colors. They are of great quality. There were paper clips included to hold the pom-poms, etc. together. I especially like that there was a variety in shades within the color and the attention to detail. It came with everything you could need, even glue sticker dots to put on the balloons to put on the ceiling, and they stayed up wonderfully for like 3 days until 1 or 2 fell down. Number 1. Magician Birthday Party Supplies. Get ready to amaze your guests with our Magician Birthday Party Supplies. It's the perfect way to add a touch of wonder to any celebration. Bring the excitement of Las Vegas to your party with our casino-themed decorations. These vibrant elements are sure to impress. Our package includes banners, photo booth props, balloons, and more. Everything is designed for easy setup and maximum impact. Crafted for durability, these decorations can be used for multiple events. Enjoy lasting fun and create unforgettable memories. Ideal for magic-themed birthdays, casino nights, poker events, or any adult celebration. Add a touch of glamour and excitement to your party. Use these fun props and decorations to capture hilarious and memorable photos. Your guests will love striking a pose with these unique elements. What we like. For an adult-themed party with a touch of glamour or mystery, this set is ideal. The casino and magician theme, complete with fun photo booth props and themed balloons, sets the perfect mood for a Las Vegas night or a magic show celebration. If you're hosting an adult birthday, poker night, or casino-themed event, this will add excitement and memorable photo opportunities. What people say. Great quality, very true to colors, definitely a value for your money. Really made the party pop. These were super cute. They are bright and colorful. Nice rock and roll decorations. I used these for my son's 12th birthday party and he loved them. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.